Hazel was feeling extremely stressed and anxious recently due to long work hours and little time for herself. Her friend suggested she participate in the World Human Spirit Day on February 17th to reconnect with her inner self through meditation. Hazel decided to give it a try and attended a guided meditation session in her local community center. During the session, she felt a sense of calmness and peace overcome her. By the end, she felt rejuvenated and reconnected with her inner spirit. World Human Spirit Day was created to promote mindfulness and meditation. It commemorates a historic event in 1923 when several revealed spiritual leaders gathered in India to meditate together for world peace. They believed that inner peace cultivated through meditation can spread globally. This annual day on February 17th encourages people worldwide to pause, reflect, and meditate. In today's fast-paced and demanding world, World Human Spirit Day is more important than ever. Meditation has been scientifically proved to reduce stress and anxiety, enhance emotional well-being, and boost concentration and focus. Pausing for even just a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation on this day can help combat the effects of daily life stresses and reconnect us with our inner source of calm and joy. On World Human Spirit Day, people around the world celebrate this day in various ways. Many attend or host meditation sessions, mindfulness workshops, or yoga classes in their local communities. Others practice meditation or mindfulness on their own at home. Some share inspirational messages or photos on social media to raise awareness of the benefits of meditation and a quieter mind. However simple or grand, any effort made towards cultivating one's inner spirit on this day can have personal and global benefits that go beyond the day itself. In conclusion, World Human Spirit Day is a meaningful day dedicated to honoring the human spirit through meditation and mindfulness. By pausing and recollecting with our inner selves, we can achieve greater clarity, wisdom, and inner peace. And together, our collective efforts may spread more love, understanding, and harmony in the world. Let's make the world a little brighter and more peaceful, one meditative moment at a time. February 17 is World Human Spirit Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Human Spirit Day. Cheers!